Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prevent Chrome from opening a new tab every time you click on a link. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the window. In the search bar, type in google.com/preferences and press enter. This will take you directly to Google's search settings page where you can customize how search results behave when you interact with them. Once the page loads, you'll see various options and menus available for customizing your search experience. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a navigation panel with different settings categories. Look for and click on Other Settings. This section contains additional preferences that control how Google Search operates, including how links are opened when you click on them. Now, within the Other Settings section, scroll through the available options until you find one labeled Results in a new window. This is the key setting that controls whether search results open in a new tab or window when you click on them. It's an important feature to adjust if you prefer keeping your browsing organized without constantly accumulating new tabs. Right beside the results in a new window option, you'll see a toggle button. This toggle is currently turned on, which is why Chrome has been opening every link in a new tab or window. Go ahead and click on this toggle button to turn it off. Once you do this, the setting will be disabled, and from now on, when you click on a search result, it will open in the same tab instead of creating a new one. This keeps your browsing experience cleaner and prevents tab overload. And that's it. You've now adjusted your Google search settings so that links open in the same tab rather than constantly opening new ones. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.